Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another brand new video on this channel. And today in this video we're going to fix a Bluetooth neckband from Leofile. The name of this neckband is ill, and I make a review video about this headphone near about 3-4 years back. So it's about 3-4 years old earphone, and the problem with this neckband is, you see the wire. So as you see guys, this is the wire. This is the plastic wire, you see here, and inside this we have 3 wires. This is 3-core wire, and the cover, the plastic cover of this wire is peeled off because of aging. So today in this video we try to fix this wire. So if I use this earphone like this way without protecting this wire, probably few days I can use it for few days, then this wire will break from here. So I need to protect the wire. So today in this video guys, I will show you how you can protect your headphone exposed wire. So guys, let's get started. So first we will secure the headphone using a tape, so it don't move. Then we'll take a thread like this. I'm using a black thread. Then we'll cut the thread, and then here we'll make a simple knot. Tight it and secure it. Now take this right side thread and make a loop and take it on left. Then take the left side thread and take it below the right side thread like this way and make a knot. And you need to do it over and over. Guys, let me show you one more time. This is the right hand thread. It goes like this, making a loop. This is a loop, and this is the left hand thread. It goes above the right hand thread like this way, below the headset cable like this way, and pull up and bam. So that's it, it's simple. So my thread is near about to end. I need little bit more thread. So I have this maybe 2 feet. Got this much, get the job done. I'll cut it from here. Okay, now first we'll make a knot. So here we'll make a knot and tie it. Then we'll follow the same process. So as you see guys, this much is completed, and here we will use a drop of Fevikwik. So guys, one side is near about completed. Now here we will give it a knot, simple knot, and then we will cut the extra thread. So as you see guys, we already fixed the left side. Next we will fix the right side. Before doing this, I'm showing another thing. This is a cable protector, you know. So this you can buy, it's 1 meter long. 5 meter is around, I think, $1. So you can buy it from AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to buy it. So I'll cut this cable here and wrap it around here. It will look little bit better. So I'll cut it from here. Now we just need to wrap this cable. As you see guys, left side is fully completed. It's looking awesome. Like, you compare to this side, you see how good it's looking. It's looking great. it took long time to doing this thing. Still I need to complete the right side. It's same thing, the thing I did on the left side, I will do the same thing on the right side. Now guys, we will fix the right side wire. Portion is opened from here, so we will start our threading from this portion of the wire. Your neckband is probably different than mine, and you guys probably don't have this connected, this plastic, so do it according to your neckband and repeat the same process that we did before on the left side of the earphone. So first we will make here a knot. So we'll make here a simple knot, so you can see here. Now I will glue this broken part. I'll use some Fevikwik. Permanently glue it here. So as you see guys, all the wire is completely threaded. Now we will end this thread using a simple knot. Also going to use little bit glue here to completely fix the wire. Next we're going to cover this cable using this plastic cable protector. As we already did on the left hand side, we will do same thing on this right hand side. So we'll cut, we'll measure it a little bit. So this much, so we'll take a little bit more. Fine, and we'll cut this from here. Then we'll insert it. We'll start from this side. Now here I will use some super glue. So this kind of glue is a little bit dangerous, be careful guys. Just stick. Next we're going to clean the earphone using some isopropyl alcohol, because you guys can see there is a lot of dust and dirt inside this. Okay, so we need to clean it. So this is guys, this portion the glue is removed, so you need to re-glue it. You need to clean it and re-glue it again. Guys, as you see, this is the battery compartment. They can put a little bit bigger battery here because there is some space. So if your neckband battery is dead, you can just simply replace the battery and again it will start working. So I will put little bit glue here to secure the cover. So I am using this E800 glue. Now leave the headphone to dry. So guys, it's been now about 2 hours, so I think the glue is dried. Now let's remove it. Now we can remove this glue easily using our hand like this. I just use some alcohol. It will make life a lot easier. Here is the fixed earphone which I am using for last 3-4 months, and it's working great. And this fix probably saved my $50. And here is another neckband with the same model number, but it has same problem. The cable is stated frayed. It's just, you see guys, this portion of the cable. Now I need to fix it. So guys, thanks for watching this fixing video. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.